Good morning, P.
Good morning, Miss Jan.
Have a seat. I'm Jan De La Cruz, and today we're gonna touch on our new product, Ubi Pandikoko. I'll be presenting an update regarding the launch on the Pandikoko in our upcoming meeting. Miss, Mian, where is the meeting? The meeting is at the Island City Green Branch Green 9 to 9:45 p.m. December 4, 2025. Make sure you're on the time. We'll be finalizing the detailed budget and training schedule there.
Got it, Miss Jan. What is the next meeting?
Once the budget gets approval, we'll move forward with the intensive training and preparation so we can launch Pandikuko on December 17, 2025. The goal is to make the product excel in the market and boost our company performance. What's our message to the customers? Our slogan is test the color of flame. It means Ubi Candy Coco brings the warm, comforting taste of home to every stomach that tries it.
How can the team support the project?
I need every team member to give their best effort, support the project fully, and drive strong performance in all tasks. If we all push together, Pandikupo will become an iconic product that brings joy to consumers. Thanks, Miss. We'll do our best to make Pandikupo a success. That's the spirit! Let's make Pandikupo test the color of home. Thank you, team!